Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming on early in the morning to basically do an unboxing of the Beauty Bakerie blending eggs, and it's actually a special unboxing because these blending eggs were their limited edition ones, so I'm actually going to get into the unboxing as quick as possible. So let's actually get into the unboxing. Okay, so I have the packaging right here. I'm leaving it sort of ajar so my address doesn't show, even though I scratched it off, but still. So I'm actually going to slowly open it right now. Can we just talk about how this packaging is? One thing that I love about the Beauty Bakerie is that the packaging is just very, how do I say, it's very consistent with their whole bakery theme. It's really cute, nice and pink, and I love pink. That's like my favorite color of all time. Call me girly, I know, but I love it. And just this little packaging. Let's just unbox it. Guys, look at this. Look at this. These are the limited edition black Egg-cellence blending eggs, and this is actually my very first purchase from the Beauty Bakerie. I've been wanting to get something from the Beauty Bakerie, and I finally got it. So I'm going to see what these eggs are all about, how they feel. I'm going to, you know, touch them around a little bit. Now, granted, I've heard some mixed reviews about the blending eggs in general, but in terms of quantity, I believe that these are a very good alternative to the Beauty Blender, because you can get 6 blending eggs for $18 versus 1 Beauty Blender from the Beauty Blender company for $20. And of course with tax it led up to like $23 and some change, but that's beside the point. So I feel like, you know, these are actually good in terms of quantity. Now, quality, I have heard mixed reviews on these. A lot of people said they were pretty stiff, they were pretty hard, and that really contributed to my hesitance and reluctance to buy these. I was trying to basically, how do I say, I really wanted to get something from the Beauty Bakerie. You know, like I said, I love their theme. I love the whole point of it being bakery and dessert and sweet themes, and you know, I kind of love brands with a theme, you know, not necessarily a gimmick but a whole theme, because I feel like a gimmick can be related to your line, but versus a brand theme where it's more, you know, surrounding your whole brand in general. So the Beauty Bakerie is like dessert and bakery themed. Then you have the crayon case, which is like school supply and school themed. So that is really good to see. So and this is also an indie and black woman owned brand, so that's another bonus to this. So I will open these and I will see how they feel, how they look. Are they a hit or miss? I'll see about that. Okay, this is the carton, and unlike a lot of other packaging that we probably will throw out, I will actually probably keep this packaging. So let's open this up. Okay, they're covered in plastic, which is great. And I will just open one of these just to test it out. So all we need is one. Okay, this is actually pretty soft. Now, again, these are the limited edition black Egg-cellence palettes. These are the limited edition black Egg-cellence beauty blenders, blending eggs, that's what they call it. And it's so clever. Again, like, this is what I love about this brand, the theme of it all, the clever names that they give their products. Like, I love it. Okay, anyway, upon feeling this feels so soft. I don't know what people were saying was that people were saying it was stiff, people were saying that it was hard. I mean, those are the bad reviews that I've seen on it. People loved it, but these were the bad reviews that I was seeing, that it was hard. But this is feeling kind of squishy to me, and that's a good thing, because the softer the blending sponge, the better for, you know, blending out your makeup. I don't often use blending sponges or beauty sponges to blend out foundation, but for concealer, this is a given. I found that using a blending sponge like the Beauty Blender is, you know, very fitting for that. It's like the best tool to use. I'm going to test this against my other beauty sponge that I got from Real Techniques, and I'm going to see if there is any difference, any similarity, you know, will it work the same? So I'm gonna go do that. Okay, I'm feeling both of these, and maybe this feels softer because it's new, but I'm feeling both of these, and I'm feeling a softness more with this one than I am with this one. And I'm not just saying that. I just really feel, I don't know, I just really feel like, you know, there's definitely a difference here. This is from Real Techniques, and this was, I believe, $7.99 or $9.99 when I got it at Ulta. And it works so far. It even has a flat side for blending out the foundation. You know, different parts of the sponge, according to the packaging, said that they're for different functions. So the side is good for like blending out the concealer. The tip really good for getting those deep corners. Like when I blend right here and I can get into my tear duct, I make sure that the tip really touches that point. And the bottom side is really for flat stuff like foundation. Like I said, I really don't use blending sponges for foundation, but it kind of, if I ever decide to use a sponge for foundation, which in some cases I've been recommended not to do, because what sponges do, they do take up that excess and soak up the product. So if you are looking for like a full coverage look, it's best to use a brush. And I've tried using sponges with foundation, and sometimes they work. Other times they were really more of a miss than a hit. So maybe I was just using the wrong sponge, but I don't know. So anyway, yes, these blending eggs, they feel really nice, and they can actually work wet. So you just dip them in water, you squeeze them, and they actually do increase in size. So I am actually going to try soaking this in water, squeezing it out, and seeing how they work. So yeah, let's get into that. Okay, so I got my bowl of water, and I got one of the blending eggs. So I'm actually going to dip it in, and I'm going to see how this works. Oh my gosh. Guys, oh my god. It is truly doubling in size. Like, guys, this is, no, I saw the videos of them doing it online, but I didn't believe it. 'Cause sometimes they'll just make it look so good online, and you know, when you finally do it, it's like, this doesn't look like what I saw. So now here's this wet, here's the Beauty Bakerie blending egg wet, and here's a normal size of it dry. They were not lying when they say this thing doubles in size. And because I have makeup on right now, I do not want to mess it up. And just taking a chance to talk about my makeup look, okay, I am not fully impressed with how this look turned out. I am a little disappointed. I love the lipstick and I love the eyeshadow, but I feel like the combination was not good. I mean, you tell me what you think, but personally, the vision I had for this did not go the same way that I wanted it to, so I'm sorry about that. But I will say this, I am wearing the Lip Bar Brick House on my lips, and I really love this color. I do love the deep burnt orange, like scarlet color of this shade, and that's why I got it. So right next to Boss Lady, I got this color and I love it, but maybe the eyeshadow lipstick combination was not a good thing, but you know, you tell me what you think, guys. But anyway, yes, oh my gosh, and it's so squishy. People were saying that, oh my gosh, it's so hard. You know, maybe it's because I felt like one blending egg, because you know, I feel like a little bit of a squishiness with this, but this blended with water, it's much softer. Oh my gosh, this is just, I'm not even just pandering or just, I'm really telling the truth. So since this is wet, and you know what, maybe these blending eggs will work better wet than they do dry. So I will try to use this wet. I'm going to test it on my hand since I already have makeup on. I'm going to just put it on my hand like this, and blend that out. I hate to dirty up one of the blending eggs without actually using it first, but I'm going to test it out. face will be a different thing, but I actually like it as look at this, guys. You guys tell me what you think, because it's practically disappearing. I will say this, I do see that big spot from when I originally swatched it before blending it out, so that could be kind of an issue. So, you know, some people were saying it was things were being left, it was patchy, like again, the blending eggs were hard. Maybe the black Egg-cellence ones were a little different. Maybe they have changed up the material that they used to do it in the original blending eggs. Maybe they have changed because you had some people who had not so good reviews on it. And you know what I'm saying, I've seen the videos, I've seen the videos, and I've seen the reviews, but I will say this, I will probably use these blending eggs wet than I will dry. And you know what, so far so good. So I am actually impressed so far with these blending eggs, and we'll just see how they work on my face, and I will come back to you in another video about these eggs. But I just have to say, for my first beauty bakery purchase, I'm very impressed. And mind you, of course, like I said before, these were limited edition, and I believe for Black History Month, these were limited edition blending eggs, and she called them, the owner, Cashmere. Her Instagram name goes by Cake and Cashmere, but the owner of the Beauty Bakery, CEO, she called them the Black Egg-cellence blending eggs, which is just a clever name. Like, I love how she definitely promotes like blackness and black beauty and black inclusivity. She even made her foundation line, the Cake Mix Foundation, from darkest to lightest, which I very much appreciate. And I believe my shade in there is number 9, I think, number 7 or number 9. The thing I love about this is that I can actually get 6. So if I mess up one, because I plan on using one at a time, if I mess up one, I have 5 more left, and that's what I love. I feel like this is more bang for your buck, because instead of getting one beauty blender that's, you know, $20, you're getting 6 beauty blenders that are $18. So if you think about it, you're actually getting, if you were to split that and do the math, excluding shipping, because that's always the worst thing. Excluding shipping, you're actually getting $3 for one beauty blender, and that is just more savvy. Me personally, I'm a penny pincher, I'm a bargain hunter, I always look for the best deals. That's just me. And normally I do not go out and buy like limited edition stuff. I'm in no rush to, you know, just go out there and buy the latest this and the newest that, you know, when this was put out there. But this was something that I needed, and because it was limited edition, and because, you know, hey, you need this is a necessity, kind of. This is a necessity, and you know what? I'm finally going to make a beauty bakery purchase, might as well. And you know what? I think her stuff, like I said, I just love the theme. I just love the whole beauty bakery, you know, bakery dessert theme. Like, she has some of the most clever names for her products. Like, that is just amazing. And you know what? I'm here for it. So yes, so you tell me what you think. Have you tried the blending eggs? Are you going to try the blending eggs? Like I said, these are limited edition, and you know, I'm very late on this review because I've kind of been putting it off for a few days, and that's just my fault that's just a fault on my part. I'm sorry, but I just feel like I needed to get my review out there. I didn't think I would start doing makeup reviews. I don't think I planned on doing this. I never really planned on doing these makeup reviews, honestly. I just planned on doing the tutorials and just doing on my very way. So, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, tell me what you guys think. Have you tried them? Will you try them? What do you think about them? I like them so far. I feel like they're very soft. I kind of don't know what people were saying when they said that these eggs were stiff. But you know what I'm saying? It's really nice. It's really cute packaging. And you know what? I'm here for it. So tell me what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and also subscribe and share if you care. And I will see you